You know what? I need something fun to eat today. How about... Oh, well, I'll show you. Come on, let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye, and it is football season, college football in particular. And so we're going to do something fun for dinner. A chili cheese dog, all loaded up. A special chili that we're going to do out on the grill. And then we're going to grill the hot dogs as well. Load it all up and fill that belly up with some good football watching meals. So let's get that started. It all starts with getting everything, your mise en place, put together and ready to get it onto the grill. So take a look at everything that we've got going here. We've got some hot dogs, all beef hot dogs. We'll use those. We've got both ground beef and chorizo to make it a little extra spicy. We've got garlic. We've got paprika. We've got some more garlic powder, chili spice, salt, pepper, a little bit of sour cream, mustard, ketchup, jalapenos, and then here, this is what we're talking in terms of the mise en place. We've got some tomatoes, some green onions, some pickles, some cheese, also some more jalapenos, and some onions. All of this is going to go into making the loaded chili cheese dog. Let's get this going. I am so hungry right now. So with the fire going, the next thing you want to do is get your skillet onto the flames. You want to let that heat up a little bit, and then we're going to start adding in a little bit of oil, and then starting with the chorizo and onions and jalapenos, start getting those all nice and soft before we start adding in the ground chuck. So the chorizo and the onions and jalapenos are starting to melt down. We're going to add in the hamburger now, and then the spices as well, or the ground chuck. We want to get everything kind of cooking. We'll close up the grill for just a little bit to get some of that smoke in there before we start adding in some more stuff to it. So I made a slurry of some ketchup and some mustard, added in some garlic and a few spices, the same spices that I used originally. Now we're going to put that into the chili and start cooking it all down. Hey folks, just a reminder, if you're digging the content that's here on the RVJedeye channel, please make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and that will let you know whenever a new video comes your way right here on the channel. So the chili is on right now. It is cooking. You want to let that cook for a while, meld all of those flavors together. It is also time now to get the hot dogs on the grill. We want to get some nice grill marks on that, cook those up, and then we're going to assemble everything and eat some great chili, loaded chili. Now that's a pretty sight outside my rig. It's also a pretty sight now that the hot dogs are ready. Time to load these up and eat these bad boys so we can catch the second half of the game. And there you have it. Stuffed, packed, spicy chili dogs. I'm in Georgia, so I have some Red's peach ale to go with it. I've got college football on. This is what Saturdays are all about. Let's taste this and see how it goes. Now that's a chili dog. You can do this on the stove or on the grill outside. However you do it. this loaded chili dog is absolutely fantastic. I'll put a link on how I do all of this down below so you can do it for yourself, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye, and of course you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Hey, you know what? Get out there, chef it up. No need to eat poorly on the road. This is a perfect example of how you can do it and do it easily. Still catch the game. See you next time.